Hello mga beshies! Welcome back sa ating vlog-vlogan series. Finally, nagkaroon na ng time para makapag-vlog ulit. And yes, I am back in blonde and short hair. Kamusta kayo mga beshies? Kamusta kayo armies? Kinakaya niyo pa ba ang pambubudol na ginagawa sa atin ng BTS? Well ako, medyo minsan pikit mata na lang bumibila to support our voice. But for now, itutuloy natin ang unboxing ng old albums ng BTS and this is part 2. Ang kasama sa unboxing episode na ito ay ang kanilang first album which is Dark and Wild and The Most Beautiful Moment in Life part 1 and also part 2. So, samahan niyo akong mag-unboxing ng albums na ito. Sino kaya ang mga photo cards na makukuha natin for this album? Stay tuned, armies! So, armies, ready na tayong mag-unbox or mag-unseal ng first album ng BTS which is Dark and Wild. Naka-plastic pa siya, so remove lang natin. Ayan, natanggal na natin yung plastic wrap na. Sabay-sabay natin siyang i-open. Tadan! Mga bata pa sila dito eh. Dark and Wild. Ito. Pang leaf ng photo book. Wala na siyang ililift. Kasi meron pa sa loob eh. Ay. Wanna be loved. Set aside muna natin to. Silipin natin yung photo book. Dark and Wild. I wanna be loved so bad. Kit na yung ano. Oh. Bias ko yan. Kagat labi. Pogi. Baby chicken. Bilisan na natin. Ayun. Haha, si V na naman yung nakuha ko. So happy. Siya yung first bias ko eh. Oh, I got another one. OD7. Gin lang sa kalangan. Jiminshi. Taeyong. Obi. Shin. Geeq. Namjoonshi. Dark and Wild. So that's it for Dark and Wild album. Let's proceed to the next one. Okay, open na natin siya. There. Seriously, this is the profile, then yung lyrics, space here. Bagets pa sila dito. Yes, hobby. Yes. Hello, Namjoonshi. Baby ko yan. Sige. And of course, our golden magnet. Tulad ko yan. Love. Fast forward. Sorry. I got Geeq. Geeq. Mag-focus. La. Yan basta sa Geeq. There, we're done for this third mini album. Let's proceed to the next one. Okay, let's start. Pogi Jean, oh my god. Ginawa natin ito. Sino kaya? QR. Oh my god! I got Jin! Yay! Finally got Jin. Let's continue. JK. Jimin. Kobe. Yoongi. Gusto mo yung mga passport na ganyan na ng dimple si Namjoon. Let's take a look. Oh my god. Tay-Tay. Cute. Yun lang. That's it for the fourth mini album. So we're done unboxing these three. I hope samahan niyo pa rin ako on the next part of the unboxing of BTS old album. So, see you mga beshies. See you armies. Keep safe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Annyeong!